Good day everyone! I'm your teacher Joji at ang ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon ay tungkol sa systems of linear equations in two variables. After going through this lesson, you are expected to illustrate system of linear equations in two variables and also determine kung ang graph ay parallel, perpendicular, intersecting, or coinciding lines. Sa mga nakaraan na mga lesson, na ituro ko na kung paano mag-graph ng linear equations in two variables. Pwede itong rises o pataas sa right or falls to the right. Ang graph rises to the right ay positive slope. If falls to the right, yan ay negative. At kung ang graph ay horizontal line, the slope ay 0. At kapag vertical, that is undefined. Narito ang illustration ng slope of a line. Pansin ninyo si slope man. Kapag paakyat siya going to the right, yan ay positive. Kapag pababa naman siya papuntang right, that is negative. Pero kung horizontal lamang o dire-diretso ang lakad ni slope man, that is 0. Kapag vertical line, that is undefined. A pair of linear equations in two variables form a system of linear equations. The graph of a system of linear equation is a pair of lines in the plane. May tatlong classification of systems of linear equation. Una, may tinatawag tayong intersecting lines. Pag sinabing intersecting lines, ito ay consistent or independent. Pangalawa, coinciding lines. So pag sinabing coinciding lines, that is consistent or dependent. Pangatlo, parallel lines. Ang parallel lines ay inconsistent lines. Ano bang pagkakaiba ng consistent at inconsistent systems? So pag sinabing consistent systems, meron siyang solution. So ang consistent system sa dalawang classification ng systems of linear equation ay intersecting and coinciding lines. But intersecting lines is consistent independent. Bakit siya independent? So, ibig sabihin, nag-intersect siya o nakapag-create siya ng dalawang lines na nag-intersect to each other. Pero meron siyang solution. Ang coinciding naman, consistent pa rin at meron solution but dependent. So, ibig sabihin, ang makikita mo sa Cartesian plane ay parang isang line lang. Maaaring ang line na yon ay magkapatong. So, ang pangatlo, ang tinatawag nating inconsistent systems. Pag sinabing inconsistent, wala siyang solution. So, ang parallel lines, yan ang inconsistent lines. So, ibig sabihin, ang parallel lines are do not intersect to each other. Okay, so let us try this example. Paano nga ba mag-graph ng dalawang equation? So, lagi nating tatandaan, ang equation na gagamitin natin is y equals to mx plus b. So, ang m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Bago tayo makapag-graph, kailangan natin makuha muna natin ang slope at y-intercept. So, based on this example, given na sa unang equation ng y equals to 2x plus 2 ang slope at ang y-intercept. Ang value ng slope ay positive 2, ang y-intercept ay positive 2. So, ang slope, lahat ng whole number laging may over 1. So, let us try again the second equation. So, 2y equals to 4x plus 4. So, paano ba natin makukuha ito or ma-transpose natin to y equals to mx plus b? So, ibig sabihin, i-divide natin both sides ng 2 para makancel natin ng 2. So, y equals to 4 divided by 2 is 2x. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, ang slope din dito sa second equation is positive 2. Then, the y-intercept is positive 2 also. So, slope is lahat ng slope o lahat ng whole number laging may over 1. So, let us try to graph these two equation. So, ang una natin gagawin, ang una nating i-graph ay ang unang equation. So, ang slope niya is 2/1 and the y-intercept is positive 2. So, dito lang tayo titingin sa y-axis para ilagay na natin o ilocate natin ang y-intercept. So, ang y-intercept natin is positive 2. So, ito yung unang point natin, positive 2. So, kung babalikan natin ng mga lesson natin, ang slope is equals to rise over run. So, dalawang beses tayong aakyat kasi 2/1, 1, 2, then pakanan tayo kasi positive ang slope natin. Then, hakbang ng isa. So, ayun. So, yan ang ating first line. So, ilalagay na natin, guguhitan natin. That is our first line. Okay, dahil nag-graph na natin ang unang equation, yung ikalawang equation naman yung i-graph natin. So, same pa din. Ang ikalawang equation, ang slope pa rin niya is 2/1 and the y-intercept is positive 2. So, dito pa rin tayo maglalagay ng dot, then dalawang beses aakyat, 1, 2, then hahakbang sa kanan ng isa. So, ibig sabihin, same line lang. So, nagkapatong yung dalawang line ng dalawang equation. So, yan ang example ng tinatawag nating coinciding line or consistent dependent. So, ibig sabihin, isang line lang ang makikita natin sa isang Cartesian plane kasi magkapatong lang sila. So, this is consistent or has solution. So, ito yung tinatawag natin na graph na iisa lang. So, that is coinciding lines. So, ibig sabihin, sa dalawang equation, ang m sub 1 equals to m sub 2 is equal and the y-intercept 1 is also equal to y-intercept sub 2. So, ayun ang paraan kung paano mag-graph ng dalawang equation. Okay, so let us try another example. First equation is y equals to 2x minus 3 and the second equation is y equals to 2x plus 1. So, same pa rin ang gagawin natin. Kailangan mailipat natin ang equation sa y equals to mx plus b. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, dun sa dalawang equation na ibinigay, ay wala na tayong isosolve. Diretso na. Meron na tayong value ng slope. So, m sub 1 is equals to 2 and the y-intercept is negative 3. Sa second equation naman, m sub 2 is equals to positive 2. Then, ang y-intercept niya is equals to positive 1. So, wala na tayong sinolve kasi given na siya. Okay, matapos nating makuha ang slope at y-intercept, igagraph na natin siya. So, same pa din, nakatuon or nakafocus lamang tayo sa y-axis kapag nag-graph tayo. So, unahin natin ang first equation. So, sa first equation, ang y-intercept niya is negative 3. So, dito tayo magsisimula sa negative 3. And ang slope niya, always remember na kapag whole number, may over 1 yan. So, over 1, 2/1, then 2/1. So, dalawang beses tayong aakyat sa taas, 1, 2, then pakanan tayo ng isa. So, that is the first line. So, ito yung first line natin. The next equation. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ang y-intercept ng second equation is positive 1. So, dito tayo magsisimula. So, kapag nagsimula na tayo, same pa rin ang slope niya, 2/1, aakyat ng dalawang beses, then, yan, step pa kanan ng isang beses. So, that is the second line, or the parallel lines. Ang kinalabasan ng graph natin is parallel lines. So, ibig sabihin, ang dalawang graph na to ay walang solution or has no solution. Okay, let us try this example. The first equation is y equals to negative x plus 3 and the second equation is y equals to 2x minus 3. So, kailangan pa rin natin gawin y equals to mx plus b. Pero kung titingnan nyo ang dalawang equation, naka-format na siya as y equals to mx plus b. So, kukunin na lang natin ang slope. So, sa slope ng first equation is negative 1 and the y-intercept is positive 3. So, ito ang slope, ito ang y-intercept. So, sa second equation naman, ang slope niya is positive 2 and the y-intercept is negative 3. Always remember na lahat ng whole number ay may over 1. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nakuha na natin ang slope and y-intercept. Let us try to graph the two equations. So, dito pa rin tayo nakatuon sa y-intercept or the vertical line. So, sa first equation, ang y-intercept niya is positive 3. So, dito ang first point. Then, negative 1 over 1 ang slope. So, ang gagawin natin, isang beses pataas, then isang beses pakaliwa. Bakit pakaliwa? Kasi negative ang slope. So, yan ang first equation. The second equation is, ang y-intercept niya is negative 3. So, dito tayo magsisimula. So, ang slope naman niya is equals to 2 over 1. Aakyat ng dalawa, then pakanan naman kasi positive. So, ayun. Na-graph na natin ang dalawang equation. Kung mapapansin nyo, that is intersecting line. So, pag sinabi nating intersecting line, that is consistent or independent. So, ibig sabihin, kaya siya independent, hindi nagkapatong yung dalawang lines sa isang Cartesian plane. At kaya rin siya consistent kasi has solution. So, yun na ang tamang pag-graph ng linear equation. So that's all for today. Sana may natutunan kayong muli. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.